Once again, here is our Mr. and Miss SCI Puerto Princesa 2024.
Is overflowing with gratitude, emotion, and pride. What a journey it has been from the very first moment I stepped onto the stage, to standing tall among the brightest at the Nationals. To STI, thank you for seeing the potential in me and giving me the opportunity to shine. Your unwavering support throughout the cluster and national competitions gave me wings. You saw something in me that I hadn't even discovered yet, and for that, I will forever be grateful. To the one who made all things possible, Lord, thank you for guiding my every step and whispering strength into my spirit. To my mother, your sacrifices, your love, and your belief in me were the fuel behind every stride I took. To my family, to my Ate Kiana, to Kuya MJ, to my brother Scott, thank you for being my safe space in this worldwide journey. To my friends, Sir Dave, Ate Pam, Ate Pao, Ate Dimple, Mia, Nadine Glenn, and so many more. Your cheers reach my heart louder than any applause. To John Mark Brian Regasa, thank you for reminding me that I am capable of something greater. To my hunger, ni Robert Gonzalez, you were not just my guide, you were my life. To my makeup artist and hairstylist, thank you for helping me wear my confidence with every look. To my SK cluster and national family, Ma'am Mase, Ma'am Joy, Ma'am Mikay, and to the whole faculty, thank you for your trust, your support, and for making me feel like I belong on that stage. To my successor, may you always carry this title with heart, purpose, and pride. I may be passing on the crown, but I am carrying the memories, the lessons, and the love with me, and I will always carry this title wherever I go. I am Claudine Salamatin Ibrahim, your forever proud Miss SK Puerto Princesa 2024 National Finalist.
Tonight is a moment I will never forget. When I was given the honor of being Mr. STI Puerto Princesa 2024, I didn't receive the crown. I was given the opportunity to grow, to inspire, and to represent something bigger than myself. This journey has changed me in ways I never imagined. There were moments of doubts, challenges that tested me, and times when I questioned if I was truly worthy of this title. But every time, I found strength in the people around me. My family who never stopped believing in me, my friends who cheered me on, my girlfriend always supported me, and of course, the STI community who trusted me to carry this responsibility. To all of you, from the bottom of my heart, thank you. As I pass this crown tonight, I do so with both pride and hope. Pride in everything we have achieved together, and hope that the next Mr. STI will continue this legacy with his own passion, heart, and courage. To the one who will wear this crown after me, wear it not just on your head, but in your heart. Let it remind you that leadership is about service, that confidence comes from community, and that true greatness is found in how you lift others. But even though my lines end here, the lesson and memory will always remain. And no matter where life takes me, I will always carry the honor of being Mr. STI, Puerto Princesa. I am Scott Anthony Salamatin, your Mr. STI 2024.